Hi viewers, my name is Ves Ibrahim. I am studying from KCS Kosinagar College of Arts and Science. Let's about this video training and development unit 2. I can prepare this topic is induction. Induction. Induction is not a recruitment of project. In introductions, training and development play an important role in the effectiveness of organizations and to the experience of people in work. Training has implications for productivity, health, and safety at work. Personal development. Training and development is a subsystem of an organization. It ensures randomness is reduced and learning or behavioral changes takes place in structured format. When let's see about this, next topic is meaning. Meaning of inductions. Induction process of making new employees familiar with the present employees and practices of the organization is termed as induction or orientation. All the activities is introducing a new candidate of the organization and its department are involved in the induction process. Induction is one of the training. Let's see about these definitions. According to Billy Morio, induction is the technique by which a new employee is rehabilitated into a change surroundings and introduced to the practices or policies and purposes of the organization. According to Michael Armstrong, induction is the process of receiving and welcoming of an employee. First to join a company gives him the basic information. He needs to settle down quickly and happily and start work. Let's see about this topic purposes of induction. Purposes of induction mainly considered a formally welcome new entrants to overcome initial anxiety, to exchange information, to access the new employees, to acclimatize new employees, to control HR costs, to develop team spirits, to socialize new entrants. Let's see about this new topic to formally welcome new entrants. Induction program are considered by management of various organizations as an event to greet fresh employees formally through orientation. To assess the new employees, to even though selection process has assessed the training needs of the employees beforehand, induction gives organization another chance to repeat it. Let's see about this another topic. Another topic of to exchange information. The organization enables the new employees to know about the job, department, and people. And next about see this topic, they develop team spirit. Team spirit among the colleges is facilitated when the orientation program is conducted for a group of new employees. Let's see about this next topic to socialize new and socialize means incorporating appropriate values, beliefs, and standards in the employees. Let's see about this next topic is process of inductions. Process of inductions may be three three classified or three processing systems. First one is general orientation, another one is departmental orientations, and then now specific job orientations. Let's about this general orientation is briefly general orientations. In this stage, the main aim is to make the employee comfortable and motivate. He is also taken for a visit of the whole organization for understanding the business property. Let's see this topic departmental orientation. The individual is introduced to the department where he has to work, role, responsibility, and the operating practices of the department. Let's say about this specific job orientation. The individual is derived to provided a particular assignment with a job description is used for job specific the job. Let's say business topic importance or benefits of inductions. Reduces labor turnover, helps to create realistic employees expectations, creates job satisfactions and favorable attitude towards the employer, facilitate new employees to quickly contribute. Let's say this topic reduces labor turnover. First best of the employees. Pay of service employees allowed to employ quiet organization helps to create realistic employee expectations. The new employees during the inductions program are taught about the expectations of the organization from them and what they in turn can expect from the organization. Next one is thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe. Let's safety. safety first and stay home. Okay, guys.